Knife flashes. Do you know the one move that keeps you alive? Tonight, we slow roll a real NYPD hallway shooting and pull out every lesson the Academy never gives civilians. You'll leave with a 5-step plan that works in any sudden knife encounter, whether the blade is in your hand or someone else's. Panic plus steel turns narrow corridors into fatal funnels. One wrong shuffle and a simple kitchen knife writes the last line of somebody's story. Freeze that frame in your mind. The officer's left hand is primed with a taser, yet the gap between them is evaporating with every heartbeat.
Bro, who? Listen. How's it 148, Central?
Watch that replay in quarter speed. Under department guidelines and the classic 21-foot principle, once a charging suspect with a blade cracks the 7-yard bubble, deadly force is lawful and likely. If you are the one holding any object, even a phone, ditch it now. Officers tunnel vision on the silhouette, not the explanation. Silence can't override a shiny edge glinting in dim light. This 8-inch chef's knife was bagged at the scene moments later. It proves danger existed, but it also proves how quickly common household items morph into life-or-death triggers. 2 officers shout different orders. Classic auditory overload. Your smartest move is to lock eyes with the nearest one, keep palms shoulder high, and say, "I'm complying. Tell me exactly what to do." That single line goes a long way in court and on camera. Distance is life. Step sideways like you're sliding along a wall, never lunging forward or spinning back. A clean lateral move keeps you visible, lowers threat cues, and buys microseconds that matter. If you can safely film, hit record. New York's civil rights statute protects your lens even in lobbies and hallways, and footage stops stories from getting rewritten later. If these tips could spare one family a funeral, smash subscribe right now so the algorithm sends this to the next person who needs it.
Where's he at?
Yeah, go. Come on. Listen. You don't have to put a bullet in me.
Motion does more than dramatize. See the muzzle flash, the officer's stance, and the suspect's final forward lean and fall. Mr. Lowther later died at the hospital. The incident is now under NYPD and prosecutor review. Knife or not, every major Supreme Court ruling on police force comes down to one word: movement. Your hands, your feet, your angle.
Yeah. Where's he at?
Yeah.
Bro, come on.
Bro, who?
Listen.
You don't have to put a bullet in me. You don't have to put a bullet in me.
Miss. Housing 148, Central. We need an additional. Taser deployed, Central.
After shots are fired, the scene isn't over. Evidence collection begins instantly. Never lie when that report lands in front of you. A single false statement to investigators is a felony that can cost 5 years of freedom on top of the trauma you just survived. Quick recap. Drop objects the moment tension spikes. Freeze with palms up and fingers spread. Slide laterally to maintain space without spooking anyone. Record everything if it won't get you hurt. Speak the truth or invoke silence until counsel arrives. Inches and seconds decide life. Bank these 5 moves now, because panic won't let you Google them later. Comment your biggest takeaway below and share this with anyone you'd walk a tight hallway with tonight.